Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to check whether the given strings are valid anagram or not. Given two strings yes and t, return true if t is an anagram of yes and false otherwise. Here they have given two strings yes and t. So here they have given the string yes with the characters of the string yes. Is it possible to form the string t? If it is possible, I can say that it is a valid anagram, else it is not a valid anagram. So here ANAGRAM. With these characters, I can form the string called NAGARAM. So it is possible. So I can say it is a valid anagram. The output is true. Let's go for second example. With the given string RAT, I cannot form the string called CAR. So the output is false. In the constraints, they have mentioned clearly that S and T consist of only lowercase English letters. So here, when we discuss about the logic, it is pretty simple. What I have to do is, first I have to declare an array of size 26. Why? Because it contains only lowercase English alphabets. So we have only 26 alphabets. I'll declare an array of size 26. Now I'll find the frequency of each character. Find the frequency of each character. First, each character of string yes, which means I'll increment initially all the values of the array will be 0. Whenever the character occurs, the value will be incremented by 1. So the value should be incremented. Okay. So for A it is 1, N it is 1, then A it will be 2, G will be 1, R will be 1, A will be 3, M will be 3. So we have to increase the frequency of each and every character whenever it occurs. Now iterate string T, decrement the array value whenever the character occurs. So now in the array, the frequency of each and every character will be there. Whenever the character of t is there, decrement the value of the character n in the given array. Now once the iteration of t is over, I have to take one more for loop and I have to check all the values, of array are equal to 0. If any value is greater than 0 or less than 0, directly return. So if any index value is greater than or less than 0, return false because it is not a valid anagram. In case if all the index values are equal to 0, I can return true, saying that it is a valid anagram. So this is the logic of this particular question. Now directly let's write the program here. First, what should I do? I have to declare an array of size 26. So I'll declare an array int, I'll give frequency equal to new int of 26. Fine. I have declared an array. After this, what should I do? I have to find the frequency of the given string yes. So here the given values of type string I need to convert into character array. For that, for char c s dot to char array. So I'm converting the given string into character array and I'll be iterating character by character. Now what should I do? Frequency. Here the array size is 26. So the frequency of A will be stored on index value 0. Frequency of B will be stored at the index value 1. Now, whenever the character A is occurred, we have to store the value on the index value 0. How come I can check in the sense? Take the character, subtract it with A. For example, initially I have got the character A. When I subtract with A, the ASCII value of A is 97 and this is also 97. 97 minus 97, I'll get the value 0. On frequency of 0, I'll increment the value. Similarly, it starts iterating. It goes for next character. It takes the ASCII value of n and it subtracts with the ASCII value of a. It gives the corresponding ith character of n. That index value will be incremented for the character n. It goes on like this. Next, what should I do? Iterate the string t and decrement the array value whenever the character is occurred. So now what should I do? I have to take one more array char clq t dot t dot to char array. Now I am iterating the string t. Whenever the character is present, what should I do? I have to decrement the value. So c minus a. Yes, I am decrementing this particular character. Done. This step also got over. Now what should I do? Check the values of array are equal to 0. So I will be starting iterating the frequency array. For int, I will take the variable I from the array called frequency. Okay. So here what I am going to do? If I is not equal to 0, what should I do? Directly I will return false. Once the iteration got over, then I can say that it is a valid anagram, so I can return true. That's all. This is the logic of the program. Let's run the code now. Yes, it passes the test cases. Let's submit the code. Yes, it passes all the test cases. That's all.